Sure, Ben. When we talk of security aspect, the security asema, say obi akuku obi, nipa ye free bibi ye wo bibi ye wo complainant, and ye wo suspect, right? Complainant ni ye nipa wo ba be ye case etia obi. Nipa wo kasi wo koku obi no, who was there?
Basod na no aka.
Good. Enti na se wo court e say court say for evidence ebra. Nipa na manasi na wo kasa no. He is talking say oso ono wasachira tio.
But you see amati say kokubo for airport to manasi ni say yenchi no. Menimi da say ya chon say yenchi no wa report no.
Wa report say yenchi.
Wa report to end there aban emebetumi afa no mebo.
Good. Eye or tanishini image.
But on children in say in some kind ya no.
Yes, enye or chini say was say wono kokubo for ni din. Same thing goes to the Elijah now. Almost
Akan TV, the internet, the bro. Subscribe for more.
Asidanka otwudan ponyankopon so ode en dan so ache nende ya tenase a ne atenase e wo Ghana kanko mu. Ye hwe o my Ghana ne kanko. Penfosi etenti ye nja eche eso ada. Yenya etu ehun so se besum o my Ghana. Enam yedwumedie so no abena na wose ye pe ehun pomasibre any solution de bre o my ba no. Enente ne ya tenase ye behwe o my Ghana. Kwan ya me no mi na beto enoma na aboa ama my Ghana ye bambo mu ya setena mu ye hyehyeye mu ene emrasem mu no ebetuma de tu noma wa no na dwumedi na ebasa ya ye pe obi a sebi onim nyansa ewo saa nsemsem no ho na de na ba besi nyansafa konwa yiso na ina de twen komo na nne me ne ye brother James could you be pen and there you twen komo papa ya mo akwaba
ya eja
na no mate say
nyankopon adom bibi ekoso ogusu share kakaka
watamfo na ebre.
That is it exactly. Atamfo na ebre still blessed nyankopon guso e share day in and day out no oguso ye blessing things in our life.
Na mo papa oho mo sofo no me twema ne pa.
Oh what sure
sofo de na me asemo de oh ni size
me chiaro by Apostle Solomon Ajay on na
very powerful.
Mrs. Lady Reverend Ajay omunyina ho me first akonya we so wabisane the Metro City of Salvation Ministries International so remanyina.
Okay.
Ene me sofo Kenya Apostle Solomon Ajay and no wife. Chia will be the church elders will be sure.
Oh nyame asemo de obema.
Sure.
Baba yeni nkomo ene ya metena hanom fo bibia ye hwe Ghana e kanko na ne kanko no yeni kan bi say enche bia ye papa ne kufa baba kasa.
Sure.
Afa social gathering na ode hyehyeye to ho no oba be kasa eno na Ghana for na obia speculate dia we expect free ye man panyin ho mo so no Ghana mo expect na ansana no wo ye hwan sabe be hu ni pakra me na retun komo no me ne hwan na retun komo
sana be kamefa platform kesi we Sunu TV channel kesi we Akan TV platform kesi we so na machia Ghana fo nyina ne mo hwe me mo hwe Akan TV channel no okay yakopon hwe o monyo mo kese okay onse mentimi en kasa wa bra menchi ampanimfo bia meni omo nante
anu
eye miami hard working MP honorable Patricia PJ so mpahema
ene me ye chia
ene me first vice chairman Edmond Chey
okay
ene me national health insurance boss papa asarebedi akojon
ene wo guru spa o
ose corona ye wo mu ne ye wo mpanimfo also we nya godfathers also di omachi ti mechi akwa me MP that is it Maslog director was kwa me MPP and me aminia na eje ni bonti ne Derek mo ni as company for the chairman constituency chairman Reverend of Sunkroma okay munyina any MC the hard working MC so far
yenya
aye honorable akwanya say Jima municipal chief executive one of the Absqua constituency or boy Juma gidi like never before. Okay let me go straight to your question.
That one show us you we one
match maseno your friend James Kojo be president of kan me electoral area youth organizer chapter 3 electoral area Absqua constituency as a whole. Okay. Me youth organizer or chapter electoral area. Okay. Me James Kojo be
yes. We Edombo Aboafo.
Yeah, delegate that is it. At here.
Okay.
Good.
Obi hwe wa wankasa no wo party no mo dada.
Good, exactly.
To betumi aka mo asem.
That is it. That is it. Mediana James Kojo Pra na so bet my friend teacher Kojo. Teacher Kojo for NPP as co constituency. Mediana whom you have from teacher Kojo for NPP am Joso. Mediana no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I am a question.
Sure.
Diana is expected from Ronaldo. And then some of the brain.
Ben.
Papa.
On say, yes, the all party are Kokotoko Yena bro. And we know,
but you see the Opaco has there. Yena bro.
I say, Papa Sopango Maso. You see this great pandemic, Abba we are say, Ama we are seeing na ewa him. You see, Sayara we buy any who say President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is the best among the rest. You see, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, they are working very hard. You see, this social gathering, and yet Ghana and Kona, your band here. It started from Italy, France, America, Britain, and so forth, Spain.
Most
the advanced countries. What was the worldwide?
Where there will be
yes, everybody was experiencing the band of social gathering. And one of the sister African countries, that is Nigeria, South Africa, Egypt, they were all facing this social gathering band. You say Adieno, Yariano, this coronavirus and not COVID-19 virus, you know. And yes, say I was say onu obinya at least distance. Yeah, kakra ewo yentem at least 1.5 and I say 2. Cause so adia etimi a transfer ma obi even a touch according to the World Health Organization for now. Almost say we need to observe some protocols. Se nipa bebre atwa hia na obi wo ya we ni bi oso obi mu okasa na spit from his mouth eko obi hu a otimi nya that virus ni bi.
Virus hu.
They are very deadly. Cause look at the number of people they have lost their life.
I'll be any cheer.
Yes.
Any history.
That is it. And look at how the president was able to control this pandemic, this virus in country Ghana. We need to
but you control the be a corner cause one thing I know is idea you control no. Who is person can listen car timber but you didn't erase it.
You see Ghana, I think say 6,000 plus, right?
And them to so be there about
7,000. Okay, 7,000 plus. Look at the number of cases that Italy had. Look at the number of cases South Africa had. And let me bring it down. You don't let me. Yes, let me bring it to Africa. You can go and check the number of confirmed cases at South Africa. Go and check the confirmed cases at Egypt. Ghana.
Moderate.
Good, absolutely.
But population wise, how country okay? Omodos
change, but World Health Organization, which is the WHO, who said Ghana is performing best.
With the rise of the Ariano.
Before says something will get better, it needs to be worse. Yes. No, one say Yariano, a day in and day out to be a obi nyabi. And you feel be contact.
Okay, you can't say I come say that topic. You can compare or more I recover to Yariana and Kasa and the case now cost. I'm saying better.
Yeah, also more I recover than 2,000 plus.
Right?
Yeah, 2,000.
Hey.
2,000 and I think that 31 death cases. Which means Ghana is performing best. Go check South Africa for records. Go check Nigeria for records. Go check Egypt for records. Even go and check Nigeria for more records. Number of dead cases on my recording.
But not just in this case, measures are ye go aquema and my identity spreading on yen share who you because Ubanyam on Wato. Nanya and you pay ya the and I just say control measures and your
you see, control Yariano, control all the protocols we have been observing. Say Obiabe Juma. Even this morning, the security personnel were doing their work. You see, Yariano. Before say ube who say obi anyabino it take time and san one who say obi I was COVID-19 yare ni bi say bia me ameti ai me wo COVID-19 na me no wudi nkoma you might not know But me no have encounter no, it will take a time for you to know. And until a president, any World Health Organization, the be say be contact tracing. Say nipa ne wo yare ni bia, nipa do a woni o ma have contact. That is the thing that causes the increase of that virus.
Because I do when the president now there's all this suggestion
absolutely good, a perfect idea. Because for instance, look at this recent before say you ran be to Ghana. Enkophobia mu fi abroche be wura wo man ni mu. If say president and farm measures engu okwan ni mu amaya and quarantine those people at the isolation centers and can imagine say you hit more than 7,000 cases.
Measures na boy.
Absolutely, because President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and the NPP government are trying possible best to control this virus.
And then you link it to the Ghana expectation. I'm saying so me hu yare no ni hu aye ne kon aban eko. You link it to expectation of President Nsema Babeka. Ni hu say at least you hope be. And I say che ya adwene no papa ndi aye adwuma. Aha, yen kasa ma
Nana Addo Akufo-Addo ye ni president bia otie ne man asem. Due to 3 weeks lockdown now e ba ye no Ghanaians were talking, complaining. Osha said the former government, the state of the government, the state of the government, Sikasemu and Obambo Munsemu was very poor. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo was able to manage the economy of Ghana. Of the state now do now say no, me mindful better. Let me ease the lockdown for them. No, we need to observe the protocols. Wash your hands with soap and running water at least for 20 seconds. Put on your nose masks, hand sanitizer. Let's observe social distancing. In our market, Okotema marketer, Okomakola, you saw say social distancing were practiced at Mokola market.
But not KJT.
No, KJT, you look at it.
Because KJT, they would do a kind of raho.
KJT system, no. KJT system no your control here security personnel control here and social distancing e be ye
adwuma ba na na che cause me kokoma nure ya
e be ye adwuma. But now the expectation of the citizens, what the government is about to put out now about social gathering, and they say you nyina ye bomb fire. Just recently Trump on say Nana Addo Dankwa oyo nipa osuro oyo be osuro nyankopon one the vice president
say no there
good
untumi nyimfo abrabo.
That is it.
God
nipa
first.
Yes, nipa wo nsuro nyame no. They say nipa wo nsuro nyame no na say ono onye nipa. Social gathering, church and funerals and then weddings and so forth, open of sports bars near the just recently South Africa for let me follow on news in South Africa for I think say that was a Friday or Saturday. President Omedu stage 3, which means that the government is easing the lockdown into a beer sport. And just recently, American President Donald Trump, His Excellency Donald Trump, so be kind, or say church and synagogue and mosque are classified as essential places. You see, this man is a man who fear God. Obi osuro nyankopon. And the president hear the cry of his people. Omiti Christian Council, omiti the Muslim leaders, and your more kasai. And know that this pandemic, we are saying is either you live in the spiritual realms or you live in the physical. But when you live in the physical, you die. We live life in the spiritual realms. So Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye nipa bia or believe in spirituality. Now what believe is say when my people are allowed to go to church and pray to God. My people, my country.
For the country.
And nunti ye bomba ye or the same measures when you go kwem before say sa obeka say we call the nearby by say before say church will be open your protocols bia I was say ye diso na make sure say sa protocols ni na be observe it. The pastors even ebimukwa started house self fellowship not more than 25. At least everybody is going there with their nose mask, hand sanitizers. Veronica Bowles. Let me use this chance to applaud the MPs. Emphasize channel we so end that MPs naturally. Honorable Kennedy Japan. I think he provided over 100,000 materials for the constituency. PPEs, yes. Or provided here And Honorable Patricia PJ Sompanyima provided Veronica Bucket for her constituency. The Asqua constituency will provide Veronica Bucket. You can go to all the station checkpoints and see. Municipal chief executive Akwanyase Jima too did the same thing. Provided the notes. We need to applaud them. They are doing the hard work. God bless them. And to say social gathering as sema ye ken. We are looking for as a president. Ebeka say okay. I'm suggesting. So Obeka say okay. Me tie me man for no. A free na ekọ my left band on social gathering. You can go to church, we can go to funerals, we can go to weddings, we can go to births. Yes, we need to observe the protocols.
It was for any gym needing common M say, Obi sure because I didn't yama MPP near better than on Ekasa, a program at Daho no more, Emma Boop MPP and DC, John, when you come better. Yes, we did kind of quarter. Now, one day, one day, Canada. Also, share now, so Jama NDC. So, your communicator, which a fair number, no, a flavor more can you also have a council how we Ghana can't con everything. Yes, be a bias, will be our queen as on Canada, or no, I judge to our Canada. James, you and say, West, but they say, and Ned, dear, send our can. I'm going to be to me a beatum, no more than share bedding. I will go up, come, Sebaya. Ye be call nso enko ko for how anya de embe o yare no ho ye nti ho ase ona se
yeah exactly kakre they make an say minni in the mind of the president
o suggest
a suggestion
and I say oh predict is the word
yeah I'm predicting say and I say we are hoping say let me use that word we are hoping say
oye ni sa e be bo ani man fo so
that is it
ken almost no juma and say be we kwaje busan be sport.
That is it.
How would the person survive with all this while you the ban atoso?
You see, where assembly no MPP are buying Senka a year previous government. I'm telling you, it have gotten out of hand.
How will you know say they also have measures to control?
You see, where no. We need to face the fact here. Look at COVID-19 pandemic. Look at the number of people making donations to the government. Let me tell you something. Do you know the reason why they were able to do the donation?
No. Okay, because who
that is it. The investors are benefiting. Those of them
but do NDC time so you and making money and almost help the community.
No. Do you know the time Ebola buy we are saying?
You say
Ebola buy not President Bennett so.
Not ever John Mama.
John, do you know the reason why Ebola emra Ghana? God knew says from Ebola ura Ghana we are dead.
How will you know say also say be the measures are we do go akwem the antimi am my number because we be dey say say ya be aye cast antibody na to body ma nke ya dey ga ma o me boa
Ben
e bi akomo to body
Ebola was more dangerous than this pandemic.
But
Ebola chewa acha 2-3 days the reason why Bible say ohine boni dia o mani si apini
so ba yare boni abem
o man yare boni ni de ntia Ebola entimi enwura Ghana
Ebola ne de emfa say you to control your o mo ni the measures go ho nti na nkan ye no
no obi afa meje Ebola amba Ghana no bia the measures abegu akwan
say no ye nto aso na
no say na NDC aban na nkete so na nka this coronavirus COVID-19 I'm telling you Ben let's face the fact Ghana for obi pa let's leave their comment on the comment section let them leave their comment on the comment section and see senka NDC for time and at this coronavirus by I'm telling you and we are all dead population of about 30 million we are just a few people and we are dead I'm telling you Ebola, the entire Ebola, any access to enter the country Ghana was because God protected these people.
You need to treat them more. Sorry.
The Ebola. Nyankopo hu se da bi se ma mo Ghana for ban anto barriers ni mu
Ebola em say command doors nte be born papa say be we see match am ko say hu say se ne kasa ma de chi kwa na enhye a mu de gu akwan mu no nka previous government na nka sa me
Kentimi maso ka Ghana ya wu
nti mfanse mo de ya upload mo
good
be dia mahefo wa wo hwe no oso betunu adwen kira ba se kwan a aban we ekon yare no aye na ye hope se nyame ya adom a Sunday no be kasa me bo a Sunday ba pe be kasa na se be ya kofo so a omadi emia ena yare we ho no so ho be de e be to no na se ye ko yi kuro we dua kwanta e ko yo mo de obi e no ma sport bi obi e no ma na bi za de ho de nka Ghana ho ana obazo ko esa tie ale kuma se ko de ma je kire yesa ade ye bu abani ntira na ase mre bi aba ye ne di e pan di ntira
you see share government before say be swear aban in no government be make key speech to his people or see we need to be citizens and not what spectators.
The citizens.
We are the citizens, right?
So,
no, listen, obi one man eya aswodene.
Because only my son ba akoko ha me, they say e din komo. Sometimes who obi na say obi hu no wa she nose mask na na me no do krom bi say ada wuso say police be chi wa na. Me was aban na aka say yen she ti me ma she because of say aban na aka. Me anga say bent say no suma say shem kwala me hot team back aban aka nti me kokro ma me mpa jojo nti na ma she ma aye obi we chie bi say ada wusu say e be chi wa na ada wusu yare na no so
you see
the perception we wey dream
ben
ya me ya tense be say hu wani mu ye nti na be say
we
na hwe say ma me ne hu say wona wo kasa no
we the Ghanaians
yeah me twi ni ndoso
yeah Ghana for no ya so wodin and until the president can say we need to be citizens and not spectators. We have something that will be a friend and say I know my right meaning me right and no higher
not as enforcement in your juma.
No, look at something.
You have a question in count because I'm saying yeah taste we say beche my security issue nimbra nyamfa enforcement some machine because me say then aban bi si so na say bambo sem anko ya blame aban ko you say president on the chief of army and the commander of one post ka kebi president dey answer na omo shana so answer na even ko yakwa dey security ministers na akandapa
national security minister of national security
they say ye dey nka ye onim before na omo hwe bambo so maye enso oman me ya say empepi no issue bi to me si anka kwa aman bi so a anka ebi kwa obetu nya asem no bia beka me mfo nkwechi o ha no na nyoma bi trending and say social media minim kwa na bante FM manasi wan so ba be social media oh mini we ko ha ye kokun we so fi ko mi ko na na so okoja so fi mom kokun opemfo bi na ge ne ba so mpon no kokun no ni tu otwoma ne se nipa obi tuma be ka asem bi se kokun obi obeka asem bi egu security egu bambo ehu fin na bambo fo ahwe so obi na ma report o na se bambo mu amutu kokofa ni pakwa no edi na asem
hwe ben when we talk of security aspect the security asema say obi akukun obi nipa ye free bibi ye wo bibi ye wo complainant and ye wo suspect right complainant ni ye nipa wo ba be ye case etia obi nipa wo kasi wo kokun obi no who was there
baso na no aka
good enti na se wo court e say court say for evidence ebra nipa na manasi na wo kasa no he is talking say also ono wasachira tio
but you see amati say kokubo for airport manasi ni say yenchi no menim ida say ya chon say yenchi no wa report no
wa report say yenchi
wa report and there aban emebetumi afa no mebo
good eye o tanishini image
but on chini in say mo kan ye no
yes enye chi o chini say wo say wono kokubo for ni din same thing goes to the Elijah na omo say omo ajeli no omo je eye ede na me ajeli Elijah good absolutely the formation of character was or tarnishing pani image yes
okay
or tarnishing pani image
it's not just someone dey nya no na ye fra branch
good
eno na me so me hia wo mu no
okay
say ever say me ti hoi na me ne me wife te na me wife ewu emremu de me say e be che me
yeah
baba say me ma ko police force o me na me kum yele a evidence we no ho no me fa me hundi
no I should be the cabo obi no ko police station ko reporting ye chewa it me grant you bail ni aka kire o say that's a report and answer what till further investigation. We will call you all the time. And anytime that you report yourself to the police station, you need to come to clarify yourself. Yet today you inside the show bra wedwane. What you say? Wedwane aban beba police bambo for ba be show. We be court akwaje court warrant. Na court warrant that wo so a baby a wo hye bia no kro no so police station ho we will give you to that Okrono police for say you penny pass me say and say be declare wanted.
But I say me question say nipa now or na no be kan asem no asem no de eno see nkuta evidence concrete evidence nti asem no eyo waste
tie utie ni nkomodie na odi ni nyina ade a asi atwam and oni nipa ko bi na koye den koye so who knows say nipa asem a wo ka no e could be alleged
na me am ko obi a
who hit me obitimi kan asem osasema make dey is alleged.
Na say alleged you be say dentina who alleged say be say
oh everybody has his own right me met me want my right say make na betima be kan asem bia me pe
but entina say we na make asem
say nipa na wo kan asem ni tia no that person has the right to hold you on to take you on to the necessary point. You have your right to do everything. And nothing that will be in case ni see na the complainant, which is Honorable Akompro Kwai Japan, took him to the police station for them to investigate him. I'm having my evidence against this man. Say a man will come nipa or your gold froster or you say or your money laundry. He was having his evidence. He talked with evidence. And he gave it to the police CID boss. And I say Obinim is using the police tag to do certain things, criminal things.
And we hear Musa, where you can no. It could happen, say, every Sukana Obinim say, oh, I knew ye. Every son say alleged in a walking. And
you're alleged. On your evidence, be alleged. Or no evidence, no Casa.
But we don't know evidence saying in some all
absolutely. And the complainant and the victims are willing to come out
to defend,
to confess that this man fraud me. And the Ghana security they are working, but Emrana yedi egman you should be fiti preocupa. Na me di me ka be ka say me ntima be chew. Debi. You need to good. You will govern those things. And the CID is having that right to investigate.
And in this case, no, the CID Nankasa on to find Pemun Kase. Obi I allegation say, Nipas me so woo ebia enuachi ewobia chapate. Me na me kun no. Evidence be na chest asem na efi na no aba no.
Wabeka no be kasa be confirm, confess it. We reporting to the police. Say me dam into me na ana asem bi
me can say me boka police ate. Say nipa an kan police station. We be social media. I can say ewo be fan say be asampo hina we wu ya na da ko be social media. Oh, asampo hina ko wu ya no kwa me akwa na me ne ho abo mpa na kokun no. Good. Na ya say obi me report to inti good. Akwa ba kwa kan na mo ho.
Che yewo ade bi ti say obi aba abonten aba be kasa say me na me ku nipa so nsi. The police, the security system has the right to invite him, no investigating, interrogating it to Tonano. Ebisa say I am pa. On the ku nipa asumesi, and on the ku nipa asumesi. Nipa do say let me about a confession.
Ntinye say more than more chance of me make cancer.
No, you say chance of be can. Hwe, e wi ase no, obi betimi abeka asem. You can take it as nipa no abnormal. Nipa ben na obetimi adi ewu. Abegina TV so na abeka publicly. Say
because of that.
Me na me ku nipa asumesi. Hwakoya o mo say wo ku JB Danko obegina kan kwasa semo TV so yi. Look at
NGJ me say oh. Me say one me agada e mo bi frame say we obi ebeku me no. Agada cast as we chair me. Fan say me kan nipa anjendi no. Say me ba police station kam be ka say many evidence in think asem na your waste.
No, who be your case etia agrada e threaten. Agrada threaten any what threaten case. Who bet me ko police station akose who be your threaten case. Nipa asumesi a threaten me so obekume. And
that your mun evidence.
No. Threatening is different. Maba, Mr. Bente, we make kum.
Evidence, no.
That is it. You rush first to the police station. You lodge your complaint. You lodge your case. They put it down. They invite the suspect. No, so you're interrogating. No, you're busy. No, some say nipa assume say be case tiao. Say, we see we be kuno. That is why Kenya Japan did to Obinim. Of course, here the boss said, this is my case against Obinim. Call him and investigate him. I'm having my evidence against Kennedy, against Obinim. Yes. So makoye case, makoye complain, etiao, makoye case etiao. So we are froster. But whereby say threatening case, ma threatening ban so me kuno.
And in this case no, say ekobasa na system na nkasa no de ontumi fa ne pema mechi wo suspect because obi am be complain entiao. And then say manasi na ho no mo no. And some okay na obi tin fa.
It has the power to go and arrest somebody. Say metimi fie, obi tin fie na police ababa. Hey, now to police about arrest you.
Say unless my friend Imran.
When you go contradict to the law has the right to arrest you. Good. And which means that Manasseh has not gone contradict to the law. That is why the law has not arrested him.
Abo na kwebe cancel.
And you say the law has the right to arrest them.
Hey, there's a Canada, some Canada come up at the
that is why democracy is working. We're in a democratic world.
I am to us when I made I never quite a hammer. I say, yet your memu. Na ase ye bambo no me ya me pese bezo che bambo na so ye keke o muso a o mu ye dwumaden e de bo o man cause bambo de o man bia anti na America mboka e wo bambo
yeah the Ghana police service
o man bia bambo e week no that me ada anas ye investigation ka say judges wa ko jeje bribe me mu shime pa cause na me judges di nte ba say na say jidam wo mo no swat but me say den
so one thing is Ghana Security Service, they are working. We need to applaud them. Throughout this lockdown, you see how they worked very hard.
But I say, when you say most of them now, they have allowed themselves to be influenced by rich men or more system.
You see,
until no be their same corporation, say imposition.
No. Say Obiya what they are now. Ghana for Muntie, listen and listen good. Say Obiya infringe upon your rights. Go straight to the police station and make a case against the person. And we should stop putting the law into our own hands.
People don't have trust in the police. No.
NPP are buying, and the government system, and then the law itself is open to each and everybody in Ghana here. Sure, we should stop putting the law into our own hands. And not hire Mexico. What shall the Bemba could differ? So be a Madiente Kikimene Bakon mention is a kind mention to. He will be at reluctant, he will be at ease. Attack him and see. He will lodge a obey case at Yamia Becho, what the Bimbe before, or the Sika be influence.
That is why I need to deal with Munus of Quadia. And yet you did. Nippon will say, Mimino be in Yasem. Master more the pan, but because of scam meaning tea, I don't know, day no, now some a bogum.
What some men ede? Unim say what some cocota. A buy wall lawyers are a yima or more money be a more come as a mom. Do you know that?
Sir.
Yes, I'm telling you, go to court and get check.
Without paying anything.
Without paying a penny.
Sir.
Obiya wadiana okokota. Now you don't have a lawyer. The state is having lawyers that they omu jinemu ema woma omu ni bie kama womo. Go and check. The legal practitioners, those that they go to court.
Na edene be dia asem ne skeni edibem.
And I mention will say, "U case a what the buy." And obi say, "U case ana." U case a the buy na be me hu say, "Wa asem no dibem."
Na so.
And I would differ.
Ah, yembo ra mo party no mo nkofo be na ka say, "Yare ya ye ha ni kan." Any for accuse NPP say, "Azan NPP ye ko yare no mu say." Even though okra na eni ho de sese na esi ye dwan gidi na mu ade bi a nana do person or the prevent o so me campaign ye boy na hu sa no sa me wo me campaign here ade se ma me so a ohwe abato so tinchinchina new voters registration already or ba be here nti yen ka sa na ma we mbom na yen fa entertainment ni twato
NDC for armed robbers.
Hey,
first of all,
allegation away. That's all alligator. I want Banyada Papa.
No,
with the move here. Who say we got a robber? We're taking it kindly. No, sometimes are you
talking for the NDC?
Because I'm NDC.
I will continue to say NDC. They are armed robbers.
NDC. Papa Mama Dano.
John Domani Bukata Mahama. Airbus wants and some number. Go to UK and see. Omopa Mahama. Airbus scandal. Na nipa ni huye mehi a wakasa ya na mi huye mehi ni huye mehi. Aya sa makwa mfa na meja mfino. I don't know. I'm telling you.
Communicator.
NDC for. And as we said earlier, said the kind. Me say senka NDC for net so na yare we buy. I'm telling you. Can we do kia wu.
Nti si anomo so akisu mu se mo de yare na ye ke
ya odietie enti America for and Italy for. Okay, let me put America aside. I'm Italy for na yare na be chi wo they were creating figures, right?
And say yo mo do mu ni say ye de I say
no
let me leave you asra na ko je just say me ka say
Ben, let me leave
I just want to say room obi no 40%.
They are talking nonsense. And bullshit. And you useless comments no mama. Useless. Who is I say doing it? Who is I say doing it? Who is General Mosquito? And I mean we say almost say Italy for any Spain for they were creating figures and
the model they rare.
No, me be saying this for question.
And say
me say Italy for any Spain for any America for any France for any South Africa for any Egypt for ya any chi woman. Were they creating figures and
and this a mama na bit me ya papa mama
John Dramani Mahama Tron working and then Ghana for entertaining the tolerating no. When was on the TV I see at the money but kwa embrace at the money obeje at the money atu.
But I don't say politics anything can happen.
Sickness is
but this ambassador Mokano
Ben
ebia almost say they prevent from campaigning no.
Ben,
who bet me can what do Ben, anytime is from someone to come what do you? We
are not stopping anybody from campaigning.
But Mahama
said a running mate what me.
I said in
we be running mate so be at channel.
I don't obey
President Abeka say mam NDC for campaign.
But on the social distance.
No, Wabeka will be some moving your campaign.
Say indirectly or social distance.
No.
More than saying
social distancing and social gathering is different from some campaign. Let's hope and pray. Say no. Say the recovery is get it to 2,000. I better reach it to the maximum expectation.
Say you're
running through free mukra na above from Yankopon man in Sasso. That is what we should think. That is for nyai and some hunu in your man or more. Yes, say we are looking for say more creative figures. And now no just aspirant to be of a pre-MP was constituency. Kamel was talking bullshit on Hello FM. I was sitting there and then I was just sitting there.
I want some bullshit in there. If you know,
no.
Bullshit in there. No, America, my deal.
No. We need to fix the fact.
You face fact, but tell me, me and per se, you Friday we say, oh, cancer. No, I say more that it's not about so being so too. No, I'm not busy at two boys. I can't answer. I'm
not insulting.
Side where you name is this for a woman in a year. And then the most most is for first name before more casa. There was a casa under from my point to another more attack and casa. Bugana said was Bugani behind.
She said, Pennymumo that or Maya no His Excellency and not Blanco Kuford. On a pump for Atnasi. I didn't say Yaba. Say all bought on mine who by now working
if you are born.
What they Ghana for no more day. You say be previous among you.
But what to say I want to say in the before that for I say I be by one or Jessica on the name so they score political points. Also in the part you come up on how the car I referendum for. Let me
my first Konya way so I applaud my first vice chairman at Monchi. And then I'm telling you. Edmonche locked down by he supplied 230 people in our score constituency. Each person 100 Ghanaians and also the score political points.
Was scored that.
He has no. One country will be said, Obin Koto Manu. But or return to the needs of his people. Or see will be a friend. Tell my a common deminisika. Or say, once a mere Tomacomaso. Jessica for
Zicano.
Bento Michel. Bento.
Or say,
no, Bento say Michel. Okay, Bento and them who them Kakasham Miska. And no influence me.
But politically, there we must
no. Why mistake?
Sir. And Jama made the Buoni panel.
Yes, just to support these people.
Okay.
Honorable Patricia PJ, about lockdown, but what Chamo Masco constituency for you. And was she calling political point?
And no, now almost who say a bit will never quit here because Mumodi can't hear no be a manipaji modi. I feel I'm so about Modi and say, why didn't I? There be almost in your coin and their movie. What I'm saying, I'm praying by us will be Adiano. You answer from one donation. And why donation or was a car as a Kulu be a bad
NBC for we shouldn't take NDC serious.
Some more
Ghanaians should listen to me and listen to me very well. Listen to me good. We shouldn't take NDC party very serious.
Led by Papa Mama.
Party name me find serious na Mahama never find serious.
Me Diana
Yariana Abano ye teach us no go to European countries and go and see hey or minimum be UK. That person called me and was telling me say Massa Ghana president one woman they me taking you for granted. UK prime minister when you coronavirus. UK prime minister when you coronavirus. Footballers when you coronavirus.
Read
the citizens in Ghana now. Yeni ya hoshe no krano. Yes, yeni ya hoshe no. Yeni ya hoshe krano. Yeni ya hoshe krano. Yesi make sure coronavirus ebinche. Ono do tell me coronavirus actually now na coronavirus njo.
Ntine yes in this case mumu de muhu say measures na de NDC for kan no say omo kasa keke.
They are just talking they are toothless bulldog. They are just making unnecessary noise. Omo ye de kwa. Omo ye de kwa.
What you are fire
Omo ye de kwa.
Na wala for NDC na ya no beka samo no.
Careful. Oh no. Baby ono crowd.
Na ye say o gwala wa pa ho adi o. MSM na kwa na kwa aden chedu nti. Yemfa yesu ye ha ombrem na nse ya de bayi affect nyuma bebre ame atese na do e de forms bi aba say wow ankwa kwandwuma fo no o me fill forms no e just ni for those yesu ye nkofo bi ana yesu ye bo o man kanko because they create employment ya cost the nipa be system cost ko tu o moka nze yesu ye nya akwanya ma abana ma akwanya se fill sa forms ne bi ba bebre na enni mu nchiremu ba ye de de bo won na odwuma call for na ya de so ba enchemu ba na so de mana ye mfansi
president edisa adewe by say just to support the small scale businesses omo mu ye dwuma omo dwuma no form musika sem akofom you see that Jesus that is an intelligent president.
And now they be able to stop political points.
No, stop political points.
Your mind can say MPP
Nipa wo tumi kan brofo ema ewiase enyina wase we know how we know how to fix our economy but we don't know how to bring back people who are dead. Intelligent man.
Nteno na
enu ntina wode egu akwam say me dwene o man you're not talking about political.
That's the only link be to score political points.
No, that is esi empenifosi obi ya ade oyede
osaye
we nyina ya menyede me see me president is working hard was say small companies enyuma amu wo adwuma ne si covid yi ba ye ya lock it down muntimi nko adwuma muntimi nya adwuma musika sema ko form me president ma fa to me so look at water bill look at light bills what's my fa to me so me ma musika me de mam loan muntua munje munfantua what you say just to boost the company up president ben pa advance president ben be say we Ghana
se munya mo afi IMF ntia bia na bia nye share
Mahama time na IMF ni o
ba se we de open mu bia
Mahama time na IMF ni ho na IMF ni o Mahamatan
na IMF for
IMF saw that those incompetent government they don't qualify to do good things, so they shouldn't give them any important money. They are incompetent government, NDC government. I'm telling them point blank. They are saying Dunketiers and the John Mohammeds and the Kofi Adams. I'm telling them, IMF saw said Okuche to Ablakwa. I pity those people. Those people. Then Tom Koji's IMF for Shem Ramos and first can because they saw say they are incompetent. They don't qualify. Scan them come back change.
I say IMF for most you should give conditions.
Go and check the conditions of what they come out. They are afraid of the MPP government. And yes, are afraid in the terms of Muntiminju. But the news said the MPP government is very intelligent and they care or more journey or mind now. What you say? Now when they
link it to Sinifo. And you may
no one thing sana
was here to about first for the Korean campaign. We are as around
creative art industry, no. The Biana Shatawale Council or see you people, no. Or say man I'm fighting.
Oh, say I know the
creative art industry. You are not serious. The creative art industry, there's no
seriousness. There was seriousness in the mean because the fact is will be here just the entire body is just got body no body nagasa on we have sub bodies. And if say body A and juma here, it doesn't mean say body B so and juma.
Nipa be ne kodi fan from Mfanti.
No,
answer my question. Yes, nipa ba ku ne kodi fan.
I think Bible say say Bible so be swa the cross.
Yes. Creative art industry. Yes, do food you apa na head.
The piano. Food you apa.
No.
Look
at just
what time I just call the campaign money.
No, tie.
And there one food you apa.
Tie. We are talking about how to boost the creative art industry.
And the creative art you minister from the government too.
Yes.
Ejumana ya na wo say
president.
The minister na ya so afọ na ngase na ofi aban mu na aba. A minister, me kwa say MC eti campaign ti kwa na ye ajanif te 7 na me secretary me je kuyi. Ye kwa bo kwa ye ni kwa ye minister then minister na afeku no. Ye no ye campaign da. And these people no e do what them be fast ni for e dey campaign we be mo say ye serious. You wa mo na so mo dey say ye be boa ye ba.
Host Ben mama nka se mi ntwe aban no o hwe bi o ye serious.
Na minister na link here say you serious no. Then the serious will come from Aban mu.
No.
Na ya so afo a won na dey dwumedi a hye won sa. You see a wo ka say police foi. Obi me
can question na mo say o be so answer question na.
They were serious no.
And do you want to answer your own question?
And I will do serious no.
I will use the word you're not serious.
And serious
Are you fighting for your people?
I'm fighting.
And your question, you want to know the solutions and you might bind your go.
Why do you have to start
your submission
by saying
no?
The entire body the way they cook them home. The way conform now
you express me. Then we should cut that point off.
Na serious
say express me ideas any dey
na say James Abaje won am dey go ko mo hina omonnim dey omo ye
say so person me clarify am Ghana for tia mama let me talk then tell me you use the word you are not serious and he say
okay say I won kan ho bi ntene
just recently Shentoko is still win any funny face any no let
happen no
I'm clarifying things here. Mama Nkasana Ghana for Ntiase. And the entire me use the word say creative art industry no. They are not serious no.
They are not kasa.
You say the food you upon plan. Obia COVID-19 pandemic serious. Esi Ghana government put it down measures. Look, na mo tora moko.
Omuketi hype amom.
Any hype. I watched UTV, Nanama McBrown, Lewin and some people they were there. Lewin was very angry. Funny Face was very angry. See me, they were fighting. They were fighting themselves.
Fighting themselves because
Ben, let me land. Maminka Sensi. Let me check the measures are. First, we need to tackle the root of the thing and say about the positive aspect of it. Also condemn the bad side and say about the positive side. Say nipe ya de na nya wo se yeka. So be before we serious one. Before we serious, ejina o modern ba wo boss no be before serious.
No you say yes human beef na e create no. Any hype boys no utu e be say we discuss you man. Come on question na ka we discuss.
Who your beef? So we have beef. Okay,
it's part of the game. It's a mutia. That's a band so bad one because you talk about the band so muamia. There's a bank as a Jumana.
Say, oh, papa, say, Obama before Wako Bruchiri. Now, papa, say, oh, yeah, Bassa, Obey was in the second before Wako. Papa and Bassam, Papa and tell the same year, Bassa, I protected Juma May. We are Bassa protected Juma May. Good, okay. The ambassador Magana Fortune say for the creative art industry, Nipane woman, abandon. But the government is ready to invest in the creative art industry. But woman the creative art industry. I'm telling you today. Just recently, COVID-19 by then a government here.
Oh yeah, there.
A creative art industry minister here there. He called some people. And you know that came the more and Shatawale more and they come huge more. They did visual concept. They did visual concept. This is just to entertain your people. They did.
No, baby, no come Sunday.
What is no?
And now TV so you seen na ye sini ya mugana for so mpe na ya ye ba ya jojo ye ho. Aha. Nye nya hwe. Aban na gu Ghana sini adwuma. Abangu no ba aban no role to play.
Go now wo play no.
Yeah, role to play.
Good.
Them on man so role to play. And it is a factor ade ba na media so mi se o man no. Me that too cause a whole point of view. And a walker. Nemo aban no role to play say. Aban entu mechanic me say mention no smart. Wa be aban enforce say machine na na police for okrom no. Aban kan say we are.
This entertainment aspect no. You have thrown the question to me. You want to know the idea of the
yes, but
I said you can't receive that point. You want to defend yourself. So I don't have to speak for anybody.
No. Say aban there.
Aban.
Okasi yankwa.
You want
another guy so be ande. Why not?
Which means say
aban be can say and say e be a creative art industry no. Mo minister ini ye de sika kase say be a 50 billion amano. Your script kokwa defend your script say so kwa na pese mo de boa me discover kwa wodwuma fabra oba abamba boa wo distribution side abamba make sure say ejuma na wakwa na onu ni sika wo mu no oba fighter ma ade na infrastructure so nya bibie
so say me tie
say wo boa but say me ndia e che ko be say de me bibie abadwuma ye dia you say me ye day to day work and na pese wo
you see the host now hosting me for the program no e do the part no o defend you. Oh, everybody will see that you are defending.
Oh,
because you want to see the views and the ideas of the government. Now, the international government, your question is in a government in for creative art industry.
I'm very serious.
No.
I do election there. I'm very serious.
Look at Ghana for the judge now. What was my question? Let me talk. If Obi will be big, let's leave it to the people and let them come in. Right? Share the entire me use the word say, "Munye serious," and they say, "Creative art industry no munye serious," and they say. And Nima Omo Yeno doesn't look at just Bishop Nyaku. Look at the issue that arises here. No.
But I say creative art. Because of say ye public figure na wonye bi kan no. Obi ewu ofie bi mu o chapa tento ko esi ho no. Every go be him na ko dey ko akiti bi. But because of so onye popular nti wa go.
Ghana for be hu say Edru one you are defending your people. Ghana for be hu say
ba say wo ma o kan Edru host no why dey no agbogu so.
No, when you say agbogu so you want to know the ideas of the government.
Oh, we dey see am mo che kwan ya. We dey mintu ma. Na we dey yen tro program so che kwan ya creative art for your creativity na ye dey bo aban no. Yes, so be the hu ama ye nchirima so ba o me ka say edwuma bi say ya say no
mo creativity I was say mo tutu mo fo munja backbiting munja nantin twitwa munja nsam keka munja ntokwa na mo coming together as one people yes prayer we ba kwa na ye dey ebu o kabom na obu enye dey ebu the government is not seeing peace in the creative art industry. Government is ready to invest.
But the government can maintain peace.
Government can maintain peace, no. Share. Government in quantity in front of anything away minister. The minister is trying her possible best. Na nipa na wo show omo so ne so omo mpene what can you do? Bet me beche say Bento and I say je ko na lewe.
Minister getting pay no. Minister getting paid annually. And I say be a monthly no. Minister getting pay monthly based on kofoko we no. Na kofoko na we do almost no so mo ntemu nibuntu.
Let me
pay.
Let me tell you something say enye sinitwa for nko na government yi creative.
But you say can we be say no. What for us one?
That is it. Enunti na me kire wo say. Enunti na me kire wo ben ne say. If on per se sinitwa for aban na ni ba ho more. Yes, baby, as a baby otumfo ne bo ho pa na ye dey.
Oh hia no.
It is one per se. E ho hia creative minister no oba sinitwafo emu a. You should do your homework. And who is a creative art for no? And yes, sinitwafo nko. You the music industry over there. And the music industry they are working very hard.
Ye nyina the same nyoma na na ye face. Omo ka omo de da.
Good. Then it's over to you. The government is ready to help. Aban etwasika to ho.
And same man and they can how because me they say politician there they will always defend the party or no belongo but me dem who say mame na wo ma wo fie na wo ma yes na so do mani na 2 year and I say man say 4 year na 2 nya they also year say nkura no so de mra ba ho ye do we mame say upie na about because they say okono ba metua wo tua ni ntu mpie biem obi tu ka say oba me mo aduane ndi to say aban wo so won say kroye ni emu a the minister can give measures be at wo say mesumi de ne won tumi a adwuma no tu ko anya bi
and I metro say creative art industry no and you are trying to tell me that there is no rules and a govern creative art industry now
rules wo but the rules must be enforced the rules must be enforced
you let me take the creative art industry as a whole aside na me tackle the movie industry no Mentakel, yewo Kumawood, and yewo Gallywood. No, listen to me. Yewo Kumawood and yewo Gallywood, right? What is a Gallywood for? Make it that noise na Kumawood for anybody.
Na ye quite a camboom. They say ni say Kumawood Gallywood. I'm teaching you. Kumawood, you know, some that was company. Well, no, call it son. I hear who say. Ye no or fight good cause I don't know ye na ye ndwane no
well
and a Gallywood no be na keti you ni ye pedin atoso
well
and now you tell me Jackie appear mo classify as a Gallywood but the movie
well let me tell you
say I'm not talking about the unity need
the your
5-pack but your directors good
you want to know the measures. But you don't want me to talk. Oh, person, while explaining your things to people.
Ebusa for you go say Adam Komano, Sir James, I can say 6 minutes me boy. I can 6 minutes. See, measures brain na yen hope from. Mo aba na na enfesi na. Uma be san be dun komano bi nko.
Nanado, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the cabinet ministers. Eto, asem person me come Ghana for tears and say voters register. We are going to do the new voters register.
It's
a must.
So
much and this is for money better me person me infuse into the something into the DNA of the citizens and the world as a whole. Se nipa se kontompo ni so no be there no be
food ya.
Manini kan. And this is for your throw for your kontompo for. What is the reason behind the almost new voters register? Almost a moment. Me to question my Ghana for. Just recently, me information on my phone so. And phobia more pictures. Any the reason why this is 1%. You be new voters register. No, you be descending. You see, me person Ghana for or my who say NDC for any ni papa. MPP are buying the new me go kwem. Now, the problem I want to say we are solving the world pandemic. That is the COVID-19 coronavirus. Let's come together as a team. Let's fight one agenda. You can't say you restricted and you stop people from say on your campaign. I don't necessarily know your campaign. Elections here dabei.
Now also babe voters registration on the campaign. Oh ba just say ye twe mu ni abetia pekwa election dey we dey beba so.
Well,
and then on the on campaign.
Let's leave everything to the citizens. Ghana for bejeje e be kire COVID-19 ye ba ye be oye aban papa. What you say?
Yeah person hu a kwame na be person be hu obi person ohia wa
obi person who me a me mo asko constituency ai oba me be krom ene chapatre ene obi person who wo bent who a odo hu me nye ya kwa me constituency me electoral area youth organizer me dia ni tita kwadwo oba asko constituency na bo tita kwadwo a for MPP bi abechira wo
I didn't know MPP me be say me last square I didn't know MPP penifo na no kusibu Africans no say nkura na ombo a ma mo ba ben mo no mpe bi kaka mfam kwadwo o man no ya boa mo mbo ayen esa yeso any party bi ayeko esa na ye di mo ya o ana mo se chi
that is the problem I was tackling yesterday a problem na me tackle Nandra I was say stop. I think that this issue we need to find a special time to discuss it. Because it starts from the constituency level. It starting from the electoral area to the constituency to the region and to the national. And so they do talk. Constituency for ne ya bro. Constituency let me exclude some people. The lives of Papaya Saribedi Akon, the lives of Edmonche, Mama Pat, Patricia Piejay, MC Akonese Jima, a lot of people, just to mention few. Se constituency for now more grassroots now. I'm telling you, president in constituency. Nipa bako for more betimi aba no de gu ni botom.
Nti scandia ba ko ba bibone.
I think that Ben we need to find a special time and handle the constituency.
No waka no wetu no number tuju afatuju ane.
Number is 0551 385534 0551 385534. Absolutely.
We do say insist, we say say be chance bi na. Kaminyan DC fo a nka me papa yene ya papa James papa na ya twetwe nkomo na ja on de obi eni hento akeka na adwene gu ho no mo na mo sinin for de se no kan ye no e serious no mo aban na ja aban bi aba no ato ase na mo do election de a ya be fe jeku ya be fe lewo ya be fe mo aka na ye di echi crew directors na bent bi de mu bi ya ko election bi pe ni ato asawra mfa manya me e de se eja na do ba nya wa ye free teachers ma me no bi ade I enjoy it. No, I share. Me, I edin no. Edin, I bent Robert from the two are major so. The creative director could go to the team camera and the best animal. Yama me fell Agnes. The child will be a near my million of city to. We will be a chair. Yama know him. I say, well, so each year, Mr. Comfort, yes, Eunice. Ghana former Buchain, Chiamo. I am 10-year course, so we see Mr. Niscamo, Messer. Will you be a Becobi and Munabuche now the moon frey? Yen so problem for mamu se na be ya asunye be ba enye obi apeso be promote ade a enye na mum se be ya o man be koso nti ena obi so o ma ye man kwa ngabo na dwuma ho de wuro na so be bo dwuma de wo na e be kwa fast ma ba de next time no ni ahwe nyoma yi ti efensi anu moy na mesre se ya se de nyone kan ye no obi e hope se papa ne tena ase a at least nka sorry de ke bebi oni ya adwebe to no comment aba e be kan de sende edwuma no eye Ghana kanko de be si anu de sende adominti amen.
Akan TV, the internet, bro. Subscribe for more.